Hello, everybody. This video is to give you some instructions and an example of a driver diagram. So this is a tool that you can use to create a driver diagram. It's an Excel spreadsheet with some nifty little add-ons to it. If you click down here, there's drivers and instructions. You can click on instructions and it will give you the step-by-step of what to do to create your driver diagram. I'll give you just a quick overview, but you can refer to the instructions. First, you'll click Add Aim, and you'll say, this is the thing that we're trying to accomplish. This is the big goal, the overarching SMART goal of what we want to improve in our system. Then you click here and you can add primary drivers. You can add as many as you want. And you simply click on it and you type in. A primary driver is a sort of long-term change that, if happens, will lead to the aim. These are big levers, major changes in the organization, in the structure of what you're doing, and how you do your work that will lead to the aim. So, in order to achieve this aim, we need to ensure this happens. Now, how do you make this happen? You make that happen by the daily things you do, which require these shorter term, quicker, shorter term, maybe not quicker, regular, daily type of activities. And you click add and, you click add and it will add to it, right? And if I click here and I click add, it clicks to it too. So you kind of sometimes have to come here and move it, right? Or you can get rid of this and just add a arrow. Insert illustrations, right? And just add an arrow in. And then you decide, what is my change idea? So, which requires this. And then I need ideas to ensure that you don't do all of these, but what might make this thing happen, which will then make this thing happen, which will then make this thing happen. So it's a system. So what do I need to do to improve this part of the system to make this happen? I'm going to quickly give you an example of what this would look like. So let's say my aim is to have every member of the virtual Nick team make weekly posts with a deep analysis of reading and responds to other posts in a way that enriches their learning. Well, what would I need to ensure? I'd need to ensure that the team members have time to read the text as part of their work time. I'd need to ensure that we have a user-friendly platform. So notice how these are big structural things that need to be in place. A platform, having time, that the facilitator provides specific and clear instructions and exemplars, and facilitator can monitor activity and determine who is and who is not participating. So together, these are my primary drivers. These are the primary things that need to be in place in order to have that happen. But then the question is, what is required to have them to have time in their schedule? Well, supervisors sign on to building this into their workflow. Participants document the time it takes to complete reading and posting. Participants document how this learning will directly improve current contracts, right? Those are three things that are required to make that happen. If I want a user-friendly platform that provides clarity on what to post and where to post it, I need a facilitator needs to get feedback from participants on ease of use. And some things can go to both. The platform is easy to read and to follow where to post information. That goes to, we have a user-friendly platform, and we have that going down here to getting clear and specific instructions, so on and so forth. And then I think what I need to do, I say, which of these are really important to me right now that I can really dig into. The platform is easy to read and to follow where to post information. That impacts both this driver and this driver. So let me think about it. Well, I could try to move to parlayIdeas.com and use it to create a smoother experience. That's not a bad idea. I also see facilitator posts models and exemplars of posts and comments. Well, that's a good idea. That's a good thing I need to do. Maybe I could create a model driver diagram and record a talk through of how it is put together. And that might affect both of these, right? Another idea is this is the same one I had up there, but it also applies here, moving to Parlay Ideas. So obviously, I wouldn't necessarily at once do everything. I might, for now, focus on this one, collect data. Later on, focus on this one. Or I might have one person do this and another person do that and see what happens. So this is our driver diagram, and I look forward to seeing what ideas you all have this week.